So a friend of one class can be a member of another class. Okay, so in the previous example we created two classes, alpha and beta, where both classes had a common friend, sum. So this function sum was a friend of class alpha as well as a friend of class beta. So now what I want to do in this program is that I want to make this friend function sum not a friend but a member of this class. Okay, so how to do that? Just remove the keyword friend. Okay, so now this has become a member of this class alpha, but because this friend function was declared in the private section, it is not accessible from outside the class, so let us put it in the public section. Okay, and now sum has become a public member function of this class. Okay, and in the previous example it got two arguments, alpha and beta. Now do we need alpha? No, we do not need alpha, because the object of the calling the object of the class which is calling this function is implicitly passed. Okay, so alpha, object of class alpha, will be implicitly passed to this function sum. Okay, like for example we create an object a of class alpha, then we call a dot sum. So an object a of this class will be implicitly passed here along with other arguments. What is the other argument? An object of class beta. Okay, so this is complete, and now we move on to class beta. Here in the beta class, this function sum is a friend of this class. So a member function of class alpha has become a friend of class beta. Friend in sum, and let us use only one argument. Okay, so this is how we can make a member function of one class a friend of another class. And here is the definition of this function sum. Now sum is a member function of class alpha, so we need to resolve it using the name of the class, alpha scope resolution operator sum. Okay, and here we use only the object of class beta, and then in the function what are we doing? A dot data plus b dot data, but now we do not need a dot data because data implicitly means a dot data. uh, so we do not need to write explicitly some object name of class alpha dot data. We can just write data plus b dot data. Okay, and in the main function what are we doing? We have created two objects of class alpha and of class beta. Then sum is equal to, now we are calling the sum function, but now the sum function has become a friend of has become a member of class alpha. So I write a dot sum, and next I need to pass the object of class beta. Okay, let us run it now. It is showing us an error. What is the error? So I think the problem is here in this statement where we are declaring this sum function a friend of this class beta. Because this sum function now belongs to class alpha, so here also we need to resolve this using the class name alpha and scope resolution operator. Now let us try to run this. Okay, now this is showing us the message sum is equal to 30. So it is working fine. So keep in mind that always use the scope resolution operator whenever you are declaring any function which is a member of a class. Okay, so here the sum function is a member of class alpha, so here we are declaring it as a friend of this class beta. So we need to use the scope resolution operator here. So alpha scope resolution operator sum. So it means this sum function belongs to class alpha. So here also we have used the scope resolution operator so that we can uh, tell the compiler that this sum function belongs to class alpha. Okay.